So you want to pay with your phone. Here's how to set up Samsung Pay and add your first payment card. Open Samsung Pay. After the video intro, set your Samsung Pay PIN and fingerprint. Great! Your account is now set up. Now scan your fingerprint and enter your PIN. To add a payment card, select Add Card. Scan your card using the camera. Follow the prompts on screen and complete any ID and verification processes from your card issuer. Sign your signature using your finger or stylus. Tap Done to finish up. In the next few videos, we'll show you how to add loyalty cards and pay using Samsung Pay.